fresh battery. Cam, you ready? What are we doing today?
Going out on the trails. Gonna fucking book her up on Eagle. You want me to make some collection or not?
Yeah, you did. You did. Moncton Mudrunner trail. It's gonna be sick. Look at that. Loaded up, ready to go. Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Oh. Felix. Look at
start.
So we made it 2 feet? We made it 2 feet. Cam got stuck. He goes, they're getting him up.
Hell yeah! Alright, here we go!
Oh, that was Dan. Good back there?
I'm running hot as well.
Hot.
Oh, really?
I'm running hot.
I'm on 1 bar from overheating.
Oh, shit.
4 bars. That's good, friends.
Hondas, huh? John Deere Dream.
A shelter, like a teeny little, like a shop or garage kind of, like, but it's really, really, really small. It's like a little. We're here! And you can play around in the snow, Felix. Yeah, we'll take your helmet off.
How are you guys doing?
Did you see that? Cam, he came up behind me, just drove me right into the rhubarb.
Is that?
Was it you?
Is there a fire on? Okay. Good, buddy. Awesome. I got the torch. You brought what?
Miss Vicky shits, I got some Miss
Yo. That was nice at the shelter. Woo.
Drop your charger there.
Oh yeah. We'll kill the lights. You gonna lead the way? There you go. Do you want to not actually go to the shelter and we'll go a different way back?
Don't care. Sure.
I'm just worried about how deep it'll be, but...
And do whatever you think.
Uncle Mackenzie's a little stuck. Okay.
Nicely done.
Oh man. That's deep.
What do you want to do? Are you fine with this?
Yeah?
Okay. As long as you're good.
This is the right road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Just as long as you're good, because this is road. But I don't care.
What?
Not easy leading, eh?
No.
No, that's why I was like, can you go?
Well, I didn't know if you wanted to go first.
If I stop,
Yeah, I know. That's why I figured, oh, maybe you guys should go first, because I know you can't stop, but I'm going as fast as I can. Yeah, don't worry about that.
you wanna leave?
No, because then I'll overheat.
Well,
We're almost there.
Right.
that hot dog. I wanna bite.
Let's see
So
the
we're
dog.
stopped here on the trail, overheating a little
Wait,
bit.
is it on?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're on the
okay.
trail overheating a bit. I think it's the perfect time for a little pocket dog.
A trail dog.
She's pretty warm still.
I almost fell asleep.
Not bad. You want a bite?
No, I'm good. I'm good, dog. Get back.
Viewers, do you guys want
Let's get going. No, don't touch the mirror. Don't touch
Taylor,
the mirror.
Taylor. There we go.
Ah! Oh, okay.
Okay. Damn.
Cam.
Oh, jeez. Right in the rhubarb. Oh, Cam, that's not what you want to do. Oh, whatever.
Do you need to push him?
Might just get out.
Oh, he might be able to get it by himself. You okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
You have to push. Ow!
Need help?
He did it by himself! Ah, the tree branch!
Oh,
Got it! I was ready to pull because...
Knock this tree. I'm gonna knock trees down.
yeah, we're not. Look at there's a tree right here. Hey, get out of here, tree.
I'm gonna knock it down.
I'm not gonna knock it down, we're just gonna run into it like this.
Here's a little bridge. What?
I hated that.
Tree. Woohoo! Okay, let's get to the road. After ride report, Cam's overheating. Let's go survey the damage. My battery died, so that was great. Okay, Cam's bike is overheating. No clue why. Oh, there's a rad somewhere in there. She might be a little plugged up. Dude, his 6 CFMoto.